Hi guys, in a previous video I explained why cardio is not the most efficient way to lose weight. Don't get me wrong, I love cardio. I do cardio about 2 to 3 times per week. It's good for your heart, for your cholesterol, for your diabetes if you are diabetic, and for your mental state. However, it's not the most efficient way to lose weight. And today we'll understand why. But first let's talk about simple physiology. When you are in a resting state, your body depends on fat as a main source of energy. However, when you are in a state of stress, your body uses carbohydrates in your bloodstream as a source of energy because it gives you energy quicker than fat. And when you run out of glucose in your bloodstream, your body taps into your glycogen storage in your liver. So enough of this talk, and let's go to the treadmill.
So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die.
At some point during cardio exercise, your body enters the flight and fight status, where you start using carbohydrates in your bloodstream to produce calories. I just got a little bit bored, so I increased the speed to get to 100 calories burned at a faster rate. So we got to 100 kilocalories, that's my heart rate, and we did that after a period of jogging of 15 minutes. So let's talk about it a bit more. Now as you can see, after about 15 minutes of cardio, I burnt about 100 calories. But where did it come from? It came from glucose in my bloodstream. Therefore, I felt hungry after those 15 minutes. I did not burn much fat. So let's think about what happened. After about 15 minutes of burning 100 kilocalories in the form of glucose in my bloodstream, I felt hungry. Then my blood sugar went down. My body would replace this amount of glucose with my very next meal. So in conclusion, cardio makes you burn calories in the form of carbohydrates in the bloodstream. It does not make you burn fat. If you enjoy cardio, you should definitely keep doing it. But if you're trying to lose weight, you might want to try something else.
Subscribe. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to check out my book, The Obesity Solution. It's available on Amazon and the link is provided below. It has a lot of tips on weight loss, low-calorie recipes, weekly meal plans, and much more.